Hello students, today we are going to continue chapter 6, lines and angles. I am going to explain you examples of exercise 6.1. Your first example is, in figure, lines PQ and RS intersect each other at point O if angle POR ratio angle ROQ is given to you equal to 5:7. Find all the angles. Ratio is given to you angle POR and ROQ. What is the relation between these? These are linear pair. So, angle POR plus angle ROQ equal to 180 by linear pair. And ratio is given to you. What is the sum of the ratio? You will get 5 plus 7 equal to 12. Now, we need to find angle POR. It is equal to 5 by 12 sum of ratio multiply by 180. Now when you will solve it will be equal to 75 degree. Similarly we can find angle ROQ equal to 7 by 12 into 180 equal to 105. Now angle POS and angle ROQ. POS and ROQ vertically opposite angles are equal, so both are equal to 105 degree. Similarly, SOQ equal to POR vertically opposite angles, both are equal to 75 degree. Now, I am going to explain you example 2. In figure, ray OS stands on a line POQ. Ray OR and ray OT are angle bisectors of angle POS and angle SOQ respectively. If angle POS equal to X, find angle ROT. OS stands on a line POQ. So angle POS plus angle SOQ equal to 180 degree by linear pair. And angle POS equal to X, it is given to you. So we can find angle SOQ equal to 180 minus X. Now OR is the bisector of angle POS. So angle ROS equal to half of angle POS because these two angles are equal. So angle ROS equal to half of angle POS. Angle POS is given to you X. So half of X we will get X by 2. Similarly, OT is the bisector of angle SOQ. These two angles are equal. So angle SOT, it is equal to the half of angle SOQ. SOQ is equal to 180 minus X. You can put the value. So what will be the half of 180 minus X? You will get 90 minus X by 2. Now, we need to find angle ROT. And ROT is the sum of, this is ROT. It is the sum of these two angles. ROT, this is our ROT. This is the sum of these two angles ROS and SOT. So we can write angle ROT equal to angle ROS plus angle SOT. Put the value, angle ROS we got X by 2 and angle SOT we got 90 minus X by 2. It will cut. Then we will find angle ROT equal to 90 degree. Now example 3. In figure OP, OQ, OR and OS are 4 rays. Prove that angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS equal to 360 degree. Now in this we can produce any of the ray. We can produce OP or we can produce OQ or we can produce OR or you can produce OS. In this we are going to produce OQ backward to a point T. Now TOQ is a line and OP stands on it. So these two angles are linear pair. So we can write angle TOP plus angle POQ equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Now TOQ is a line, OS stands on this. So sum of these two angles TOS and SOQ equal to 180 degree by linear pair. By linear pair. Now SOQ is the sum of these two angles. So at the place of SOQ we can write SOR plus ROQ. We will get angle TOS plus angle SOR plus QOR equal to 180 degree. This is our equation number 3. Now, we got this equation number 1 and this is equation number 3. We are going to add these two equations and we will get angle TOP plus angle POQ plus angle TOS plus angle SOR plus angle QOR equal to 360 degree. Now, angle TOP plus angle TOS. When you will add these two angles, angle TOP and angle TOS, you will get this complete angle POS. It will be equal to angle POS. At the place of sum of these two angles, we can write angle POS. Remaining angle will be same. Angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR, and at the place of these sum of these two angles we have put angle POS. So sum of these four angles are equal to 360 degree. We need to prove this only. I hope all of you understood. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.